Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this particular video of WordPress series, we will understand how to create a sitemap for your WordPress website and how you can submit in Google Search Console. If you are following my series from previous videos, then you must have seen my previous video in which we understood how to create a Google Search Console account and how to add with your WordPress website so that you can monitor all the search engine result pages, related activity like SEO, how many pages are being indexed, how many keywords are ranked, and everything related to your organic performance of the website. Now, in order to make your website visible in the search engine result pages, what you need to do is you need to create a sitemap of your WordPress website and then submit into the Google Search Console. What is sitemap? Sitemap, as the name suggests, it is the structure or hierarchy of your website which tells that how many pages are there, which kind of pages are there, which kind of category pages are there, and everything regarding your website. And once you create and submit in the Google Search Console, then Google bot is able to detect the number of pages, and the bot or the crawler is able to crawl the content on the website much easier, right? It is not something that if you haven't if you will not submit the sitemap in the Search Console, then your website will not be ranked or web page will not be ranked. No, it is not the case. But if you submit it, then the chances and the frequency will be higher than as your website and the web pages will be indexed as soon as possible. So in order to achieve this functionality, what we need to do is we need to come on to our WordPress dashboard, and here we will use a plugin for all our SEO related activity and not just the sitemap. The name of the plugin is Yoast SEO. The name of the plugin is Yoast. So if you search for YOAST Yoast, then the plugin will be there. It is not something that Yoast is the only SEO plugin for the WordPress. There are other plugins like Rank Math and an all-in-one SEO. So one of the plugin is Yoast SEO, and it is one of the popular plugins having 5 million plus active installation. So you need to install the plugin, and once the installation is completed, you can simply activate the plugin as well. So installation is done. Now click on activate the plugin. So this was our step number 1. Now let's go to the setting of this plugin and let's create a sitemap of our WordPress website. So here, first time when you install this plugin, you will see you have successfully installed Yoast SEO. Your site is already easier find in search engines. Start first time configuration, click on this, and if you don't see this screen, don't worry, you will directly see this option as well. So now here is two options, dashboard and one time configuration. So one time configuration is the settings that you need to perform while you are optimizing your website for the SEO, and dashboard is something which will give you the information what is going on, notification, any error or something like that. So from here also, from left side you will see Yoast SEO option, general settings, integration, tools, academy, premium, workout, redirect, and support. So if you go to first time configuration, and if you finish this step, let's say finish this, continue, start SEO data optimization, right? So now it is running some kind of activities in order to analyze the website. Now click on continue, then site presentation, organization, website name is this, organization name is this, then we will simply change these things in the later on. Social profiles, you can add social profiles. Right now I don't want to add. Personal preference, no, I don't want to do it. And finish configuration, yes. Now let's go to the SEO dashboard. And in order to create the sitemap, we'll go to the settings, and here from the search bar, we need to search for sitemap. We need to search for sitemap. So it is an XML sitemap. Click on this, and from here you need to enable this option. If it is not, by default, as soon as you install the Yoast SEO plugin, it is by default installed and active, enabled. If you want to see the XML sitemap, how the sitemap looks like, click on this. And you can see the URL is sitemap_index.xml. So if you want to access this, all you need to do is website URL/sitemap.xml. As soon as you search and enter this, so you will automatically redirect to sitemap_index. Usually in WordPress website, this is the sitemap. And here also, let me zoom in a little bit so that you can easily see. Here you can see the sitemap, page sitemap, product sitemap, pop-up builder sitemap, product category sitemap. So since our website is e-commerce website, that's why product and category, otherwise post sitemap will be there. So if I click on page sitemap, you will see all the pages which are there. Similarly, if I click on product sitemap, you will see all the products, right? So now what we need to do is we need to copy this URL, copy this sitemap URL and paste it or submit inside the Google Search Console. So here we need to go to sitemaps, click on sitemaps, and here we need to submit. So the website URL is by default there. All you need to do is you need to just enter the sitemap and make sure there is no extra space before and after the URL, and then submit the sitemap. Now it is submitting the sitemap. As soon as the sitemap is submitted, it will show you this kind of successful message, and Google will periodically process it and look for changes. You will be notified if anything goes wrong, within the future. Click on dismiss, and you can see if you refresh once, here the sitemap is successfully submitted and it is fetched. And now if you click on this, it will take some time. It will not directly, show you the result, but it says it is now being fetched, right? So it will take some time to fetch the URLs which is mentioned in the sitemap. So don't worry, you can leave it as it is. Sitemap index processed successfully. Now Google will take little time. It depends on the, the website to website. If your website is completely new, it can take up to, let's say, 7 working days. Or maybe if your website is already existing in the internet, then it can take up to 24 to 48 hours. But here you have submitted it, and periodically once Google started checking it, you can come back again and check whether the, URLs are being fetched or not. If let's say even after 7 days, if you see the same status could not fetch, then you can, probably look for what is the error in your website. Maybe if there is any blockage or any code blockage or any plugin related blockages there. So that's how you can create a sitemap using Yoast SEO plugin, and you can submit the sitemap in your Google Search Console so that Google crawler or Google bot can easily read your website. Guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, you know the drill. You need to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so that you always get notified whenever we upload a new video on our channel. I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.